Yes, children, good morning. We did blood clotting yesterday. Do you remember a bit? There were different steps in it. The last topic to be done was clotting of blood. We did. Then we moved further also. Let me show you certain things. Okay. What are RBCs called? What is the biological name for RBCs?
Erythrocytes.
Okay. And what are platelets called?
Thrombocytes.
Yes. We were doing about, just let me admit these children. Injury, shape of the platelets changes, they contract, they come at a place, and what do they form? What is this? Which plug is this called?
Platelet plug.
Yes. And for platelet plug, we needed this insoluble fibers, that is fibrin. And we did these reactions, that how is fibrin formed. We were doing about blood groups. AB we did yesterday. I'm going to take up RH with you today. RH factor. See, yesterday we did antigens are found where? Are they found on the RBCs or are they found in the plasma?
RBCs.
Yes, beta. So normally we have two antigens which are found on RBCs. We saw this yesterday. If I go back and show you, see these RBCs, antigen A and antigen B. In some cases, we have another extra additional antigen over here, which is found on RBCs. This is the RH antigen, also called as the RH factor. So a person who has this RH factor, basically, that person is known as RH positive, and those who do not have this, they are known as RH negative. Okay, what about humans? Yesterday we discussed. Majority of the humans, are they positive or they're negative?
Positive.
Yes, beta, they are positive. Now, this is one part I wanted to explain it to you. But before I explain this part to you, let me again go back and revise agglutination with you. See, this is agglutination. Mixing of blood, okay, with interactive antigens and antibodies. See over here. If there's a mixing of blood, you can see this is how they stick to each other, they cling to each other, and clumping takes place. They get stuck, and this process was known as agglutination of RBCs. Those antigens and antibodies, if they are interactive, they can interact with each other, then they'll start interacting and they'll stick to one another. And this process will take place when mixing takes place. So we are going to have this process of agglutination. Let's come to this case now. Beta, we had antibodies for every antigen. If you read antigen A, it interacts with which antibody?
Anti-A. Anti-B.
Yes. See, antibodies was opposite we did. Antigen A with anti-B and antigen B with anti-A. This is it is producing now. Now what happens over here is, this is especially when there are certain kinds of counseling sessions which take place, which are known as genetic counseling. It's not very popular in India, but it is very popular in other countries. So there are many things which are considered in genetic counseling. For example, a couple is about to get married. So they go to genetic counselors. Pedigree is studied. Pedigree, the family history tree of the boy and the girl. The blood groups are studied. RH factor is studied. So many other things are taken care of by these people. And it is ensured that the next generations will they suffer from any kind of disorder or not. And then they are suggested whether they should go ahead and get married or not. Genetic counselors. This has recently started in India as well. People in big cities like I have seen genetic clinics in Bangalore and Noida recently, but of course not in small cities. So this I'm trying to tell you why genetic counselors are needed. In India, to people just match kundalis and that's it. That's done. Look here, beta. Anti-RH antibodies are not naturally found. For the other antigens, antigen A, antigen B, naturally antibodies ban jate hain. But for this factor, this antigen RH, naturally antibodies nahi bante. Now, RH negative person, let's talk about this person. He's RH negative. He can receive blood, okay? RH positive blood only once. See, this is RH positive and this person is RH negative. There is a cross put over here. Now understand why this cross is put. यहाँ पे तो बहुत simple है. They are saying RH positive can always give blood to RH positive. This arrow shows you very clearly the RH positive person can give blood to another person or can even get married easily. अब यहाँ पे एक red color का cross लगाया है. मतलब danger. What is the danger? Now let us understand this. Supposing this person who is in RH positive or negative, see over here. He's negative, na beta. Now this RH negative person, he can receive blood only once. Now once he receives blood, what will happen? जो RH factor इसकी body में नहीं था because he is RH negative. एक बार blood लेने के बाद that RH factor has come in his body also. RH factor is nothing but it is an antigen. So it's an antigen, तो इसका जो body में क्या produce होना start हो जाएगा? Anti-RH antibodies. Once अभी तक तो RH factor था ही नहीं, he is RH negative. अगर इनसे blood ले लिया RH positive person से, then RH antigen has entered his body. And wherever there is going to be an antigen, there are going to be antibodies. तो RH antigen once इनका body में जाएगा, तो anti-RH antibodies will also be produced. अब second case देखते हैं. He already has anti-RH antibodies. Second time, if the same RH positive blood goes, then what will happen? Interaction will take place. Okay? RH antibodies and RH antigen, dono same hai. They will start interacting with each other, या they will cling to each other. ऐसा कुछ सीन आ जाएगा हमारे पास agglutination जैसा ऐसा. आप ऐसे imagine करिए on these RBCs we have the antigen RH. We're talking about RH over here. And the anti-RH antibodies already बन गए. कैसे बन गए? Because एक time blood transfusion हो चुका. So this is RH antigen. This is anti-RH antibodies. अगर आप ये word देखो, it is written interactive antigens. Same kind of antigen antibodies. ये भी RH antigen, ये भी RH antibody. तो ये interactive antigens and antibodies होते हैं. Okay? So both of them, they are going to clump together. And ये process हो जाएगा agglutination. बहुत जल्दी RBCs will start getting destroyed. धीरे धीरे करके the RBCs will get destroyed. Agglutination will take place. Therefore, RH group should be matched before transfusion. अब ये देखिए, if a person is RH negative, then the person can give blood to RH positive also, RH negative also, क्योंकि इसके अंदर तो already RH antigen है ही नहीं, antibodies भी नहीं है. So obviously कुछ भी transfer नहीं करेंगे. Of course, we have to take care of A, B, O, वो सब चीज भी देखना पड़ेगा in blood transfusion. But apart from that, we should also check for positive and negative. That is why we say positive, this person is A positive, B positive. Blood groups में हम बोलते हैं so and so is B positive. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? कि blood group तो B है. Blood group B है, that means his antigen in the blood is B. But when I say positive, it means he also has the RH factor. If I say a person is A negative, that means A antigen hai, but what is not there? नेगेटिव का मतलब क्या? व्हाट इज मिसिंग इज दिस फैक्टर इज मिसिंग. Yes, RH factor. So there are two things when we talk about blood groups. One is the ABO blood groups and the other is the RH factor. So whenever there is blood donation or whenever there is a blood transfusion program, then we have to make sure. अच्छा ये बताइए, supposing somebody is in a hospital and somebody needs blood, तो कहाँ पे मिलता है blood?
Blood bank.
Blood bank. How do you get blood from blood bank? What is the cost of one bottle of blood if you have to buy it for some far off relative or neighbors and they need blood? कुछ accident है, कुछ problem है, they ask for help from you. Now please help me to arrange one bottle of blood of B positive blood group. क्या करेंगे आप? Tell me. You'll go to the blood bank. Have you ever been to the blood bank? No, obviously. Do you know any idea how much we need to pay for the blood? Ari? Nobody knows. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
We don't know. Beta, in India, we cannot sell blood and we cannot buy blood. This is another thing you all should know, being biology students. In India, we're not allowed. We cannot sell blood. We cannot buy blood. You can just donate blood. Supposing there is your friend or your cousin who needs blood, A positive or B positive, whatever, the person has to simply go to the blood bank, donate blood equal to the amount of blood that you want. Obviously, the blood group cannot be the same. If the patient needs A positive, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप A positive ही donate करो. कोई भी blood group का blood donate करो, but जितना blood चाहिए, whether it is 1 bottle or it is 2 bottles, आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे social media पे messages आते हैं. So and so needs blood group, so and so please donate. That is one case कि आप direct जाके blood donate कर देते हो. But otherwise blood bank में ये system रहता है. You cannot buy blood. If somebody wants 2 bottles, then uska family, friends have to donate 2 bottles of blood. We cannot buy blood. And this happened because कुछ साल पहले तक ये था when drugs came into India. Earlier blood was sold. People used to go into the blood bank, give blood and take money from there. But धीरे धीरे जितने भी drug addicts थे बेटा, recently कुछ साल पहले, I'm talking about 22 years back, recently जब ये drug वाला एक mafia came into India, तो जितने भी drug addict young boys and girls थे, they used to take drugs, and for buying drugs when they did not have money, they used to do this. They used to go donate blood, take money, and then again buy drugs from that. So problem क्या आ रहा था? And there, that kind of blood was already intoxicated blood. It was not healthy blood. तो पूरा health system पूरा crippled हो गया था उस time पे for 2.5 years. AIDS भी बहुत popular था उस time पे, around 20 years back. So all these people were selling their blood, making money. Okay. So that was the reason government brought up a law and said ki no, now you will not be paid anymore for giving blood. Because of this reason, because people are misusing it. Same cases with kidney donation in India. Kidney donation में भी यही सब चल रहा था. People used to buy kidneys from poor people. Poor people जब भी पैसे का जरूरत होता था, they used to go and sell kidney. And rich people were exploiting them by the same process. Even the doctors were doing malpractices. Some doctors were also involved in this. Like supposing there is an illiterate person who is not aware, उसका operation हुआ किसी और चीज का, तो एक kidney निकाल लिया and then sell it to another man who can pay for it. High five. So again, we had a rule in India for this also. So remember, in both the cases, whether it is kidney or it is blood, you cannot sell it. It has to be only donated. And kidney donation too has become very complicated now. You have to go and sign some papers in front of an SDM level of an officer that yes, I am giving the kidney on my own will, nobody is forcing me, and I'm not charging anything for this. Though under the table सब कुछ अभी भी चलता है. I know people who sell kidneys also. I got to know last year also. There are certain people who do this. But बेटा officially it is not allowed. ठीक है? ना तो किडनी सेल होता है इंडिया में, ना ब्लड सेल होएगा. चलो अब देखना है इसको. ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस है. एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फिटलेसिस. RH ग्रुपिंग से रिलेटेड है, ध्यान से देखो बेटा. Now, it is RH incompatibility between RH negative blood of a pregnant mother and the RH positive blood of the fetus. Supposing the father is RH positive, the mother is RH negative, and coincidentally ऐसा हो रहा है कि mother तो negative है, but the growing baby, the fetus, is RH positive. Starting में हमें ये condition याद रखना है that the mother is RH negative and the baby in her womb is RH positive. These RH antigens, they do not get mixed with the maternal blood in the first pregnancy. ठीक है, when the pregnancy is the first pregnancy, कोई problem नहीं आएगा. बेशक maternal blood जो है उसमें antibodies नहीं है because the mother is what? RH negative. However, RH antigen, RH factor is present in the baby's blood. First, I'm talking about the first pregnancy. There would be no issues as such. क्यों नहीं होगा वो issue in the first case? Let me explain it to you. Placenta separates the two bloods. Mother का blood, baby का blood में एक partition है, एक separation है. That is what? That is the placenta. Okay. Now, when the first delivery, you know about placenta. What is placenta used for during pregnancy? Yes, children.
Ma'am, it provides nutrients to the
Yes, to the growing
Yes.
baby, isn't it? It's the lifeline for a growing baby, placenta. Yes, children. Anybody else knows anything about placenta? Basically, beta, it's an organ ये normally होता नहीं है. This develops only during pregnancy. इससे oxygen, nutrients go to the baby. And जो भी waste product होता है baby का बेटा, वो baby के blood से it comes to this placenta only. This placenta is attached to the wall of the uterus. ठीक है, and इसमें से फिर umbilical cord वगैरह निकलता है. Now, see this. We are talking about the first delivery now. ठीक है, what happens? Sometimes the baby also damages the placenta in certain cases in during the growth. I'll explain it to you. देखो, first delivery के time पे the maternal blood may be exposed to small amount of fetal blood. अब first delivery में जब placenta cut होगा तो थोड़ा सा, कई बार क्या होता है, blood, थोड़ा बहुत blood का drops baby का goes into the mother's blood also. अब थोड़ा सा भी blood अगर few drops भी चले गए of the baby into mother's blood, यानी कि कौन सा factor चला गया blood के साथ?
RH factor.
RH factor. Very good. So this RH factor from the baby's blood has got mixed up. Actually, there is a little mixing of the blood during delivery. तो थोड़ा सा भी चला गया तो obviously क्या develop हो जाएंगे? RH
Antibody.
antibodies. अब first pregnancy में तो कोई problem नहीं आया. Let's talk about the second pregnancy. Subsequent pregnancies, that means I'm talking about the second pregnancy. RH antibodies from the mother. Now the mother has already got RH antibodies बेटा. ठीक, अब हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि बेबी, सेकंड बेबी भी RH पॉजिटिव है. फर्स्ट वाला भी RH पॉजिटिव, सेकंड भी RH पॉजिटिव. शुरू वाले केस में मदर वाज RH नेगेटिव, एंटीबॉडीज नहीं थी, बट नाउ द मदर हैज RH एंटीबॉडीज. नाउ द बेबी इज RH पॉजिटिव. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगा? दीज एंटीबॉडीज फ्रॉम द मदर जब डिलीवरी हो रहा होगा, अगेन वही प्रॉब्लम होएगा. जब ब्लड का मिक्सिंग होएगा, देन दीज RH एंटीबॉडीज फ्रॉम द मदर, they will go into the blood of the fetus. Antibodies, antigens के against fight करते हैं. I think you know this. So they will destroy the RBCs. Why will they destroy the RBCs? Who will tell me? Because where is RH present? In plasma or on RBCs? Beta, A antigen, B antigen, and also
Ma'am,
which
RBCs.
RBCs. तो बेटा एंटीबॉडी का काम तो है कि एंटीजन को अटैक करके उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करे, isn't it? तो ये एंटीबॉडीज दे विल अटैक द एंटीजन RH, और वो कहाँ पे होता है? RBCs पे. So the RBCs will get destroyed. Now this is fatal to the fetus. It causes severe anemia. Obviously RBCs destroy होते जा रहे हैं, तो baby will suffer from anemia and jaundice. This is called erythroblastosis fetolis because it happens in a fetus. Erythroblasto, if you break this word, blasting, blast हो जाना, damage हो जाना. किसका damage हो रहा है बेटा? Look at this word, erythro. Erythrocytes कौन से वाले cells होते हैं?
RBC.
Yes, RBCs. So if you break this word, erythro, RBC, blastosis, मतलब blast होना, damage होना, किसका? Fetus का. It can be avoided by administering anti-RH antibodies to the mother immediately after the delivery of the first child. Now, the only thing which can be done is, after the first pregnancy, mother की body में क्या बन गई हैं? RH antibodies बन गई हैं. तो उसके against we need to give some antibodies जो उन antibodies को first delivery में ही destroy कर दे. So that second delivery के time पे mother's blood does not have RH antibodies. Immediately after first delivery, RH antibodies should be destroyed. एक बार फिर से करते हैं. We are talking about what? What is this problem?
Erythroblastosis fetolis.
Yes. If we break this word, we get the word erythro. What does the word erythro mean?
Red blood cell.
Yes, beta. And blast means to get damaged. And in whom it is getting damaged?
In fetus.
In the fetus. We are starting a case where mother is what?
RH negative.
Yes, she's RH negative. And what about the baby? We are assuming that maybe the father is positive. So the baby is?
RH positive.
Yes, the baby is RH positive. Now, first delivery में कुछ ज़्यादा problem नहीं आएगा. But at the time of delivery, there will be mixing of blood. What will happen? There will be what? Mixing of blood.
Mixing
When
of
the
blood.
baby is when the baby is being pushed out, so at that time, maybe some blood discharge takes place from the baby as the mother. तो थोड़ा सा mixing हो जाता है. Maternal blood and baby का blood. अब baby का blood was RH positive. So when baby ka blood will enter a little bit, few drops also, if they'll enter the mother's blood, तो RH antigen चला गया. RH antigen के जाते ही mother के blood में क्या बन जाएंगी?
RH antibody.
Yes, beta. Now we are at a case where mother is not RH negative, but she does have RH antibodies. Now let's talk about the next deliveries, all the next deliveries now. अगर ये antibodies को destroy नहीं करेंगे, that means the mother already has these antibodies in her body. So second time if the baby is RH positive, again the RH antigen, because the blood will have RH antigen, the baby is positive. As soon as वो antigen को ये वाली antibodies identify करेंगी, they will start destroying them. And antigen is present on what? RBCs or plasma?
RBC.
Yes. So what will start getting destroyed?
RBC.
Yes, beta. What is then? What will happen? RBCs of whom will get destroyed?
Fetus.
Fetus. What is this process known as?
Erythroblastosis fetolis.
Yes. So what is the only solution?
To remove RH antibodies.
Okay, beta. So the only solution is that immediately the antibodies which were made in the mother's blood should be destroyed. Otherwise, it will be fatal for the baby because it causes severe anemia and severe jaundice. Such kind of babies, they hardly survive because उसमें सारा जितना भी RBCs है, they get destroyed, beta. So they do not survive. Fine. Chalo. Let me ask you if there's anything you want me to help you in. ठीक है बच्चा? Everybody just go through this slide very quickly. I'll keep scrolling up. I'll keep discussing with you. Okay, we are confident about this. Erythroblastosis fetalis. Chale, let's do this. This RH is a factor which is found on RBCs.
RBC.
None of you sent your PDFs to me now. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मत भेजिए.
Ma'am,
And
I
then
sent.
on which number?
Ma'am,
999.
on yes, no. Ma'am, why which you send the recordings and
अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक. I thought you mailed it or something. Beta, I will not even ask you for net now. Those who are sending well and good, those who are not sending, they are also well and good. No problems. I still have one sword in my hand, and that is your UT's internal beta. अच्छा चलो, RH positive, RH will be present on antigen or antibodies. ये हमेशा याद रखिए. It is present on what? ये क्या है ये गोल गोल?
Antigen.
Yes, beta. That is why RBCs get destroyed. When we were talking about erythroblastosis fetalis, RBCs were getting destroyed because of this reason. अच्छा ये बताइए, RH positive person can give blood to easily to RH positive person. बिल्कुल सेम केस है जो अभी हमने एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस में पढ़ा. फर्स्ट टाइम तो ब्लड दे सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट बेबी वाला केस पढ़ा था. बट फर्स्ट टाइम ब्लड देते ही इन दिस पर्सन क्या डेवलप हो जाएंगी? RH एंटीबॉडीज. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर फिर से देंगे तो वो अपने ही ब्लड सेल्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे बिकॉज द पर्सन ऑलरेडी हैज एंटीबॉडीज इन हिज बॉडी. दिस इज द सेम केस एज वी हैड फॉर विच वन? एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फेटालिस. क्या हुआ बेटा? फर्स्ट टाइम डोनेट करने में कुछ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, बट कौन सा एंटीजन चला जाएगा? विच फैक्टर विल एंटर द नेगेटिव पर्सन?
RH factor.
RH factor. So as it is, remember it's a kind of antigen protein, तो वो antibodies बनना start हो जाएंगे. Second time अगर फिर से positive blood दे दिया, body already has antibodies. Antigen को immediately वो identify करके it will start destroying. So in such a case, a person will start destroying his own RBCs only. अगर वो second case में भी takes blood from an RH positive person. RH नेगेटिव वालों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंटीजन ही नहीं है तो एंटीबॉडी बनने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. सो दे कैन इजीली डोनेट ब्लड. वी सेड 80% ऑफ पीपल आर RH पॉजिटिव. सो डोंट यू थिंक इट हैज टू बी टेकन केयर whether while blood transfusion is being done, that whether a person is positive or negative? What is this process where we have interaction between antibodies?
Agglutination.
Yes, beta, agglutination. This takes place between interactive antigens. Same RH एंटीजन RH एंटीबॉडी. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा सेम वाला तो एग्लूटिनेशन हो ही रहा है. विच ग्रुप इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द यूनिवर्सल डोनर?
O
O.
group?
Yes. And which one is the universal recipient?
AB.
Yes, beta, it is AB. This we talked about blood groups: antigen A, antigen B, antigen A and B, no antibodies, and if no antigen is present, then both the antibodies. Antigens are on RBCs and antibodies are contained in, what are these? Yellow.
Plasma.
Plasma. That is why plasma donation wala system chalta hai. Who was the person who discovered about the blood groups?
Carl Steiner.
Good. So this positive, negative का मतलब समझ में आ गया? We are talking about what? What do we mean by these signs, positive and negative? Which factor?
RH factor.
RH
RH
factor.
Yes. If RH factor is there, then are we positive or are we negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Does anyone know their blood group? Any one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tell me your
ma'am.
blood
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
Tell your blood groups.
B
AB
positive.
positive.
Ab dekho. This child says AB positive. So that means which antigens in the blood?
Both.
Yes. And which antibodies?
No antibodies.
Yes. She can only donate blood to which group people?
A
But she's lucky enough, she can receive blood from all the people. So these are simple things we should know about. इसको देख लेते हैं. Injury, platelets change their shape, they clog at one place and they form a plug which is known as,
platelet plug.
yes, platelet plug. Now platelet plug has to be covered with fibrin fibers. So fibrin बना लेते हैं. When these platelets have clumped together, they will release a substance which is called
thromboplastin.
Thromboplastin.
That's thromboplastin. And this, we have the formation of an enzyme from this. The enzyme is known as,
Prothrombinase.
good. Prothrombinase, in the presence of calcium ions, hydrolyze take place and thrombin is formed. What will this thrombin do? This thrombin will convert the soluble fibrinogen, soft fibers, soluble fibers, into hard and insoluble fibers, which are known as
Fibrin.
fibrin. This fibrin will trap the dead and damaged elements. ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे देखो mesh बन जाएगा एक. This is what we call as clot, or biologically what is clot called as?
Coagulum.
Coagulum.
Coagulum. Okay. Yes, prevention of blood through injuries. What is this process known as?
Hemostasis.
Yes. And if a person does not have hemostasis in his body, then he will suffer from which disease? Tell me. I told you about the disease जिसमें blood clotting नहीं होता है.
Hemophilia.
Yes, very good. Hemophilia. We talked about platelets. What is the name of platelets? Scientific name?
Thrombocytes.
Thrombocytes. What is the function? Abhi pada function?
Clotting of blood.
Yes, Peter. They are involved in clotting of blood. Let's talk about this WBCs. We had 3 types of WBCs. Neutrophils, eosinophils, and which was the third one? Basophils. They are granulocytes. And in agranulocytes, we again had 2 categories, monocytes and lymphocytes. Which are the largest RBCs? Sorry, largest WBC, bache. Which is the largest WBC?
Monocytes.
Yes. RBC's lifespan is how many days? How many days is the lifespan of an RBC? In simple words, we learned 4 months now. 120 days. Let's talk about this. Very important. Plasma proteins, 3 kinds of plasma proteins. What is the function of fibrinogen? Abhi pada tha.
Clots. Blood.
Yes, beta, blood clotting.
Clot the
Yes, beta, when we did na, fibrinogen was converted. So this was used as a mesh later by fibrin. Globulins, they act as what?
Antibodies.
Yes, beta. And the third kind of plasma protein is albumin. What is its function? What does it control and regulate? Blood pressure. How much % of human blood is plasma? How much % of human blood is plasma, beta? 55%. Now just observe this flow chart once very quickly. Let me discuss it with you. Yes, beta. Now we'll be talking about this. Tell me the other name for RBC, WBC, and platelets. What do we call them? Which elements?
Formed elements.
Formed elements. Fine. RBCs, there are no subcategories. Platelets, we don't have subcategories. WBCs, we have two categories: granulocytes and
A
A
granulocytes.
granulocyte.
A
yes.
granulocyte.
I'll hide this. Tell me the three types of granulocytes. Hurry, बताइए. Three types. N, which was N? It starts from N, the first one.
Neutrophils.
Very good. Neutrophils. Which was the second one? It starts from O. Eosinophils. नॉब ऐसे याद रखते हैं हम लोग इसको शॉर्ट में. Granulocyte, the formula is NOB, NOB. N is neutrophils, O is eosinophils, and B stands for basophils. So tell me NOB. NOB means, what does N stand for?
Neutrophils.
Yes. O stands for?
Eosinophils.
Yes, bache. And B stands for?
Basophils.
Which is the largest WBC?
Monocyte.
Sites.
Very good. The process by which blood loss is prevented after an injury, what is that called as?
Hemostasis.
Very good. The soluble fibrinogen is converted into insoluble what?
Fibrin.
Fibrin.
Who discovered the blood groups?
Karl Landsteiner.
Good. What is this process taking place? Antigens, antibodies clumping together. What is this process called as?
Agglutination.
Very good. This is agglutination. Okay. Now let's do this. We talked about erythroblastosis fetalis. What happens in that case? The mother is
Rh
What?
negative.
Negative.
Rh negative and the baby is Rh
Positive.
Positive.
positive. What happens in the first delivery? Mixing of?
RH.
Yes, mixing of blood takes place. So Rh factor enters the mother's blood. As soon as Rh factor enters the mother's blood, what is being produced in the body? Blood now, body?
RH antibody.
Rh antibodies. That means the mother has already Rh antibodies. So immediately wherever there's an Rh antigen, it would be destroyed. Now the second case, again, we went for the second baby. The baby is again Rh positive. Again, the same case. At the time of delivery, mixing of blood will take place. Antibodies will immediately identify the antigen which is present on. Where is it present? RBCs. So the antibodies will start blasting or destroying them. This process is known as
Erythroblastosis fetalis.
Erythroblastosis.
yes. The same case happens here also when we talk about blood transfusions. First time when an Rh negative person gets blood from Rh positive, kuch nahi hoga. Only what will be developed in the blood of that person? The person who is Rh negative after blood transfusion?
RH antibodies.
Rh antibodies. Yaad rakhiye, antibodies are immediately going to attack the antigens. So here we have Rh antibodies already in the person. Second time blood transfusion mein, same Rh antigen will go immediately. Body ke andar already antibodies hain, they will identify and they'll start destroying. In this case, apne hi blood cells ko the antibodies will start destroying, which is very, very harmful.